So let's talk about vitiligo today, condition that affects roughly around 1% of the world population. So what happens in vitiligo is that a person starts to get these white patches, and these white patches appears because of the loss of pigmentation. Whereas this condition is not contagious, it is a social stigma for most of the societies, and therefore it leads to low self-esteem and it impacts the social well-being of an individual. So what causes vitiligo? Well, we still don't understand the exact pathomechanism of the development of vitiligo, but we do understand that it's an autoimmune thing, and several environmental factors can play a role in triggering this particular condition. There are cases where we see the role of genetics also in the cases of vitiligo. So let's go over with several myths that are associated with this condition. Myth number 1 is people think that this condition is contagious. Well, you need to understand that vitiligo cannot spread from one individual to another just by touching each other. Number 2, only dark-skinned individuals get vitiligo. Again, that's a myth, because all skin tones and even the fairer skin tones, the Western population also gets vitiligo, though the appearance of these patches becomes more visible with the darker skin-toned individuals. Number 3rd myth is that several foods can trigger vitiligo, but you will see a lot of social media posts and myths saying that eating fish, eating milk products can trigger the development of vitiligo. There is no science and there is no evidence behind these myths, and usually the foods that you take on a day-to-day basis are not found to be affecting or developing these patches of vitiligo. Now, coming to the several do's and don'ts for vitiligo, you have to apply sunscreen. Remember that the skin of vitiligo patient has lost the pigmentation, meaning that it is more prone to sunburn. So if you have these patches on the sun exposed area, you need to apply sunscreen, and you need to reapply that every 2 to 3 hours if you are continuously out in the sun. Number 2 is always get a proper treatment for your vitiligo patch. Early treatment have shown that these vitiligo patches can be reversed, and there are cases where people have regained the entire pigmentation whichever they have lost in the vitiligo patches. Coming on to the don'ts, don't try home remedies on these patches because of the irritation potential of some of the home remedies. These vitiligo patches can increase in size, and also these can increase in the numbers. Number 2 is don't try to bleach these patches. Don't try to use harmful chemicals, concealers which are available in the market, which can again irritate these patches, and we have seen that anything which irritates these vitiligo patches can increase the size as well as the number of these patches. Coming on to the management of vitiligo, we now have a lot of medical therapies which have shown to completely reverse the pigmentation in these patients. We have oral as well as topical agents which can stop the progression of these vitiligo patches and can help you regain the pigmentation in these patches. Now, if the medical therapy is not giving you appropriate results, or you have those patches persistently present despite using the medical therapy, we have the surgical options also. A lot of surgical therapies are now available which can help you get the pigmentation back in those vitiligo patches. And last, coming on to the diet and exercise. As we have discussed before, there is no magic diet as per to suggest which can help you regain the pigmentation in vitiligo. So you have to continue taking your normal diets. You can increase the intake of antioxidants in your diet. Keep on doing adequate amount of exercise. But with exercise, we also tell you to follow precautions, like certain traumas can increase these vitiligo patches, and we have seen that after trauma the number of vitiligo patches can increase. So remember, vitiligo is a journey, and with the right mindset and right treatment, you can overcome this condition and live your life as joyful as ever again.